Welcome to Winona. Before being connected with a Winona physician, you must first complete our medical intake and onboarding process. The process is similar to filling out paperwork the first time you visit a doctor's office. To begin, you'll first need to enter some basic information to ensure your eligibility. To start, please select your state to make sure we're available there, then enter your birth date and sex. If you are a biological female between 35 to 59, you'll be pre-qualified and asked to enter some additional required information in order to create your account and proceed. After you've created your account, you will start the medical questionnaire. Please note that you can leave and come back at any time during the process. Your information will be saved to your account. During this process, you will answer questions about your current symptoms and medical history. It's very important you answer truthfully in order to receive the best appropriate care. After answering your health questions, you'll be asked to specify a treatment method preference: pills, patches, or creams. You can also skip this if you don't have a preference. Please note that this information can be easily changed at any time after onboarding. At the end of the questionnaire, you'll have the opportunity to specify any questions or concerns you have. Any questions or concerns will be answered by your Winona doctor prior to any prescriptions being written or filled. Don't worry, you'll be able to chat directly with your board-certified Winona physician through the patient portal after the onboarding is completed. After completing those questions, you will be recommended some potential treatments based on your symptoms and any preferences you selected. You are not locking yourself into any specific treatments, and they can be changed at any time after onboarding is complete. Next, you will complete a quick identity verification step in order for your assigned physician to verify who you are. Telehealth law requires a prescribing physician to verify a patient's identity prior to providing medical care. We understand providing sensitive information over the internet can be concerning, and while this step is required, we can assure you our system is encrypted and secure. Only your Winona doctor needs to access the information. Once this is done, you'll complete the process by entering your shipping address and adding a payment method to your account in case a prescription is written by your physician. Please note that you are not purchasing a prescription right now and will not be charged until your Winona physician reviews your information and deems you a good candidate. Finally, you'll be taken to your patient portal, where you'll be able to message your Winona doctor, manage your account, and update any personal information. If you or the physician don't have any questions and you're deemed a good candidate for HRT, then the doctor may proceed with prescribing the treatment. All that said, your doctor will never prescribe the treatment without first addressing any questions or concerns. The doctor will also always be available for continued support through the patient portal. Also, our patient care team is ready to support you and any questions you may have. And that's it. You're done. Please feel free to chat with us if you still have any questions.